got no motherfucking Chanel on. She ain't trying to be live. She cleaning in the storm. Give you a live view. This is how I look from my angle. It ain't raining or nothing yet. It's breezy where I'm at. I'm still on the terrace. But talk to me, I'll talk back. Keep me company. Where we at? What part of the world you're from? Me, honestly, I don't think it's going to be as bad as everybody think it's going to be. But still got to prepare for the worst. You heard? Pray for the best, prepare for the worst. That's what they told me. That's all I'm doing. Hey, Blocks, what's up, man? I got something special for you when I come back. I need you to pull up on me at the compound. We need to sit down at 212. Don Diva, what's up? Yeah, Faye, I see you, nigga. When I get back, you pull up on me, nigga. 212 with you, nigga. You heard? Texas, everybody in Texas, man. Shout out to y'all, everybody from Houston, all my family from Houston, Port Arthur. Stack 5, I appreciate what you're doing. Gerald Green, I appreciate what you're doing. Trey, you know, I appreciate what you're doing. My dogs out there, man. I pray for y'all. I'm just trying to see how thorough the weed man is. I know in New York, the weed man coming for that money in any type of weather. I need a 7 right now. Let me see what type of weed man. You see how they built out here.
I made you breakfast and you want to be out here on social media?
Yo, don't do that. Don't hit me with no pancakes.
I'm telling you, I made you breakfast and this is what you want to do? You want to be out here on social media?
Yo, y'all gotta get me out of here for real, for real. Please, somebody get me out of here. I've just been assaulted with a pancake, or 2 pancakes. This is what's going on in my life. I just got hit with a pancake. That's wild disrespectful. That's wild disrespectful.
It's a game. The grits are coming next. You better stop. You better come eat.
I don't even eat grits. She tripping, blood. I got some cold in my eye. Pardon me. Hey. It's storm time, man. Y'all got a partner, nigga, man. You heard? Fuck a whole vibe up with that fucking pancake slap. 2 words. She bugging. You heard? AJ, what's up, man? AJ, don't start that y'all wasting food. There's people out here hungry. I ate breakfast already. I told her I ain't want no pancakes because she... Listen, I'm not getting this with you, AJ, man. Before I call you by your first name, stop playing with me.
What is that?
I'm fussing with AJ on live right now. I'm threatening him to call him by his first name if he don't stop playing with me. What? I ain't say nothing about you. I didn't say nothing about you.
You said something about you didn't want... I can hear you.
I did not say nothing about you. They gonna tell you on your gram. I ain't say nothing about you.
It'll
Come on, I'm having...
day in hell before I make breakfast for you again, okay?
I'm talking to my people here.
Yeah, all right.
What, you want the pancakes back now?
I want to throw them away. Being that you wasted them.
That's what AJ just said. That's why I just told him don't play with me like that. Halim, you better mind your fucking business. Nah, Mo, that's too much carbs. Nigga, we gonna stay, one thing for sure, 2 things for certain, we gonna stay full in here. In case it do get crazy, we gotta make a move. I got my whole escape outfit ready. And my shit is fleet, but it's functional. You heard? I wanna be a fly functional nigga getting out this motherfucker. Don't worry about nothing. You heard? I got the dog a book bag, waterproof. You heard? She go in the back. I got the front book bag for the front. You heard? Chrissy got her book bag, like skate route, down pack. Nigga play with that, bad problem. You know.
Our beach is across the street. Look.
The beach is across the street?
Yes.
We need to report live?
Yes, we need to go report live. Come on.
Pardon me, I gotta go back inside the studio and report live. It's going down out here in Miami, other places. I'll be right back at y'all. Hold on. It's starting to rain finally. A little bit. Little winds and shit. I'll give you the bird's eye. I'll show you what's going on. That's in between those buildings, that's all water. That's all the beach. Might look like the sky, but that's all the water. And now, the rain is coming. Go inside. Come on. Go inside. Go inside. It's starting to rain. All jokes aside, all jokes to the corner. Everybody in Miami, please be safe. Now's not the time to be playing out here. I still see a couple cars driving around. Visibility is getting low. Don't joke with it. Dig. Get in your house. You know, make sure the house is secure. Make sure you got that food in there. Make sure you got the survival pack. Don't know if it's gonna hit as hard or not, but something happening. You heard? That's where they said the storm was going to hit first, the east side of Miami Beach. Dome a little north. That's pretty much it. You heard? That's the direction it's coming from. Literally. That's the ocean right there I'm pointing at. Literally the ocean. The rain is coming down now, though. It's still hot than a motherfucker. So I guess that's what they mean when they say tropical storms. Because it ain't chilly at all. Storms where I'm from, you gotta have your jacket and shit like that. Your Tim's on, jeans, sweatpants under it, all that type of shit. The tide is rising. It's getting high. As you can see, I'll give you a little, show you the docks and shit like that, how close the water is to the docks. If you look at some of these, the water is actually about to overflow into some of these people's property. If you look down there, you can actually touch the water if you're standing on a dock with your hand. And if you know anything about water or lakes or shit like that, then you know what I'm talking about. You can't see they got little tide markers and shit like that. It's way past the high tide mark right now. This is crazy how you see the water overflowing into people's backyards. People still got their yachts tied up out here. If the shit start getting crazy, them yachts is gonna get bad, bruited bad, badly battered. Hey, man. You usually can see the bottom of that tree right there. That's the tree in the middle of the water. The water is now at the top of the tree. Yeah. What you hear right now is heavy rains. heavy motherfucking rains. It's live. It don't get no liver than this, boss. Talk to me, I talk back. I was supposed to be in Cleveland tonight. I had a concert in Cleveland tonight. Apologize to the people in Cleveland. You know, I really wish I could be there. Ain't nothing like making money and getting on stage and getting next to my people. But can't get lit tonight. Not at all. So, you know, we'll make it up. Probably a couple weeks or so. Go crazy. To make up Irma concert. We're gonna go dumb out there. Shouts to the whole Ohio, Columbus, Cleveland. You heard? Yeah, I feel safe. I feel good. It ain't hitting hard like that. Like the winds ain't crazy and shit like that as yet. It's just raining right now. Hella clouds. Still hot outside. Yeah, man. God got us. Don't worry about nothing. Mother Nature is a beautiful experience. Let's not forget that. You can't make this type of shit up. This is natural. Shit gonna happen no matter what happens. Some of us get to experience it. Some of us don't. Nah, Dave, we got the G-Wagon. We ain't got the souped up 4x4 new joint, but we got the escape route. We got that G-Wagon parked up. We gonna press them army buttons, hype that joint up. That shit say it's ready for 5 feet of water. We gonna make it out, nigga. That's right. Tragedy and triumph. It's usually like that. With disaster, there's always come beauty. I ain't get to hit the gym today, but probably do about 500 push-ups. I ain't got nothing else to do. Word. Hey, Dave, man, what's up, man? I need a new ride for the wintertime. There's a few little toys out. I seen that X7, but I know that ain't coming out. That fucking roof on the X7 is crazy. That shit look like a private jet inside that motherfucker. Car talk. Y'all don't know about that car talk. Yeah, Chrissy still cleaning up. She got OCD. She cleaning up in the storm. She out her mind. Cleanliness is next to godliness. That's what they say. But I guess I'm in the right place. Mayor, what's up, bro? What you doing, bro? I need some feet pieces. There's a few joints out, man. I can't get my hands on none of them off-white joints, man. I need you to help me get some off-white joints, man. You heard? I like the off-white Presto joints, man. Everybody got the Johns. I need the Presto joints. Hey, Flea, what's up, Nux? Where you at? You in Boston or you in the Biddy? Yeah. We out here, man. We watching this harbor full up. The harbor is filling up. It's crazy. Word. Yeah, everybody else is good. We good. We in good spirits. Oh shit, man. Dave said he need a pair too. Size 11, me, I know you got the secret code, man. Please, I don't need no special autograph with my name on it. I just need the sneakers. You know, I got a fit for those. I got a fire fit. Word. Hey, somebody find Slow for me. Where's Slow at? So Slow, I'm about to come back and do a couple videos. I need to get super flea. Alright, man. Hey, Flea, man, tell everybody from Boston, you already know. Tell that nigga Pup, man, we about to get ready to do that,